how to look up Greek symbols in TD Ameritrade. But first, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you are now tuned into the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dice, coming to you guys and girls live all the way from the beautiful state of Denver, Colorado. Well, beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget that like, subscribe, comment, and share button, and hit that bell icon to get new videos, get notifications as new videos drop. But as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. So Greek symbols, what are they and how to look them up with TD Ameritrade. So right here, when you log on to TD Ameritrade, we're going to walk you guys and girls straight through it. So right here, when you log in, you can go type in whatever stock you're looking at. Let's say if you're looking at Amazon. So we type in AMZN. That's the symbol for Amazon. So right up on the Amazon, you're going to click on Options Chain. Now, when you click on Options Chain, right here at the very, very top, you got the underlining symbol, which is AMZN for Amazon. Right up under the chain type, you're going to click on that. Go all the way down to Greeks and Analyticals, right? So when you go there, whatever expiration date you're doing for April, let's say if you're doing May, whatever your strike is, going to hit View Chain. Now, when you view this chain, this is going to give you, for a prime example, this is going to give you the calls. These are the calls right here. If you want to look at the puts, you go click here. But let's say if you're on the call side or the put side, whatever side you're on. So here you go. This is expiration date. This is the strike price. This is a call. This is a weekly, the bid, the ask. Right here, you have the implied volatility. You have the delta, the gamma, the theta, the V, or whatever, right? So right here, you can look at it when you're looking up your analytical data. The delta is going to tell you how fast or how sensitive the stock price is going to be, how when the underlying value, when Amazon moves, how much will this particular contract move, right? And the theta is going to give you the time decay. So the time decay is as time go on, how time would decay a particular stock price. For prime example, a stock price, the value of a contract usually goes down as expiration date gets closer, right? So you got the beta and you got the rho. So right here you have the gamma. The gamma is going to give you, it's going to tell you how sensitive the implied volatility will be with the movement of the underlying price. So if the stock goes up $1, how much would the gamma go up, right? So I'm not going to go in detail in this video about, oh, this is the implied volatility, and this is what the theta will do, this is what the delta does, and the gamma, and the theta. But that's information you can easily look up yourself. I gave you a little bit on it, but this is how you can look it up and inside of TD Ameritrade. So for all your option traders out there that are buying calls and puts, it's a little bit more to it than just looking at the bid and ask price. You got to look at the implied volatility, the delta. This is going to give you more indication of what stocks will move faster in a good way or a bad way or whatnot. So all type of analytical data you can do, and this is how you can do it. So I hope this helped you guys and girls out with being able to look up the Greek symbols inside of TD Ameritrade for options. Until the next video, podcast, cartoon, book, or whatever else crazy you see me do around the globe, peace, be safe, I'm out. Thank you.